Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And then let's tap on the settings icon in the upper panel. Then let's tap on languages and types and tap on manage input languages. So as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. At the top we've got the section with those which are currently installed. So all you have to do is to tap on this switcher next to it, and here you've got those which are available, so you can simply download them just by tapping on them. So let's find the language you'd like to apply and then tap on this switcher. So now it is active, so we can go back, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list. Right here we've got also language switching method, so we can change it just by using the language key and spacebar swipe, or separately language key or spacebar swipe. I will show you both. So now, before I'll show you how to remove the previous languages, let's go back to the keyboard and let's find out how to use it. So as I said, we've got the language key, and all we have to do is to either tap on it and then change the keyboard, or simply swipe on the spacebar to quickly change it. It's totally up to you. Alright, so now in order to remove the language, let's enter the settings again right here, tap on the languages and types, and again enter manage input languages. So here all we have to do is to simply tap on those switchers which languages we would like to turn off. So I'll remove Russian, Spanish, and this Telugu one, so I will leave only English. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar swipe is not active, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.